Hi everyone, Teddy with Materio here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace multiple plan pages at a time. So this technique is going to be useful if your architect has made adjustments to multiple different pages in your floor plans or elevations, and you want to make all of those updates in one go. So first, to do any kind of bulk action like this on our floor plans and Materio, we're always going to come down here to this grid view and open up the grid view by clicking on that button. Then I'm going to come over and start a bulk selection over here by clicking select. Materio is going to tell me that I'm selecting, and now I can simply click on any of the floor plan pages that have replacements that I want to actually upload those replacements today in Materio. So once I've selected the individual pages that I want to replace, I can come down here and say replace. So I'll click that replace button. That brings me to this screen where I can upload the replacement file. I'll just drag and drop it straight into Materio here. Once I've done that, Materio is going to help me go through each of the pages that I want to replace and make sure that I'm matching the correct replacement to it. So in this case, the original page, the first original page that I'm trying to replace is on the left, and then on the right is the file that I just uploaded. I need to click on this and then leaf through these replacement pages and find the one that matches this one. So I'm using my left and right keyboard arrows to look through my replacement file and find the page that matches. In this case, this one matches. So now I can come down and hit this black match button. Now Materio is taking me to the second page that I'm trying to replace. So again, the original is on the left and I need to find its replacement on the right. I can do that by leafing through with my arrow keys until I find that replacement page. This one matches, so I'm going to hit the match button. And I'm going to continue that for all of the pages that I need to replace. So in this case, I have an interior elevation to replace. There is the replacement right there. Hit match. And then lastly, this is the last page that I need to match. It looks like this one is the replacement to my original. So I'll come down and hit match. And once I've matched every single one of the pages that I wanted to replace, Materio is going to give me the option to save all of those replacements in one go. Before I click that save all button, I'm just going to go through one more time and just make sure that all of my matches were correct. So I'm going to come to these buttons on the right, and I'm just going to go back. So this one looks correct. This match looks right. This match looks right. And this match looks right. So I've reviewed all of those and I'm confident in all of my matches. Now I'm ready to come and hit save all. And all of those pages have been replaced all at once. If I wanted to just check on that, I could come to one of them and right click, say view version history, and this is going to show me all of the different times that I've uploaded replacements for this particular page. I can see the replacement that I just uploaded just now, and I can see the original version, what it used to be. If I had made any kind of mistake, I could always click the restore button to jump back to that original version. But I'm going to just click the done button here because that all looks correct to me for now. So that is how you replace multiple pages at once in Materio. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to email hello@materio.co or chat us directly inside the Materio app.